catch that.
Got him! Touchdown for the touchdown. Touchdown and a leap. On the field, yes! And he's up and in. End zone touchdown. Tyreek Hill.
What's up, guys? Blair here at HBS Motorsports. Today we are taking a truck to Kansas City Chiefs player Tyreek Hill in Inverness, Florida. Let's get on the road. Let's hit the road. What's up, Tyreek?
What's up?
I'm here, boss man.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna send somebody to the gate.
Alright, brother. Appreciate it.
There we go.
Oh! Hey! Yeah, the easy link on it. You can download that on your phone and see all the diagnostics and everything on your phone. It's on Tune 5 right now, right?
I don't need you right. I don't need you no more. I got this truck.
Hi.
You're so good. Alright, you saying about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 is all the way up, and there's different horsepower settings.
Alright.
You can leave it on 5 all the time, it's not going to hurt anything. You get better fuel economy on 5.
Boy, baby. Damn. I like that, man. I appreciate y'all. Woo. Like it? Yeah, I love it, man. I love it. I'll definitely be in contact for some more business.
You hear me? Work out for you.
All right, man. Thank you, bro. Man, I appreciate the truck, man. I love it. The truck is beautiful, man. What's crazy is you even surprised me with my high school colors maroon, so I'm very thankful for my dog Blair right now. Appreciate it, dog.
What's up, guys? So we just got back from delivering Tyreek Hill his Gladiator Aluminum Duty, the frame off Super Duty. This is the 2019 Ford F-250 Platinum that he just traded in, sitting right at 36,000 miles. It's got a striker lift kit on it also. It's got a satin white Avery wrap. It's a pretty nice truck. It's got all options. So keep your eye out. We'll be posting another video on Featured Friday showing all the options and everything that we'll be doing to the truck. We'll be getting a good bit of upgrades. So guys, we really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch our YouTube video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. Next week, we'll be delivering another truck to another NFL player that plays for the Seattle Seahawks, so be sure to stay tuned for that, and we will see you next time.